Happy Friday and happy day 10 of VLOGENTINE. It's supper time on Friday. Yeah, today's just been a day at home cleaning. Nothing fun to take you along with. Had to clean the bathrooms, change bedding, wash bedding, deep clean the kitchen, got some yarn wound up, and got some pictures up on Instagram just showing what I'm taking to Sunday's market. So all the new colorways that I'm bringing, they're just going to go to the market with me, and if there's any left over, I will list them in my shop, but I'll make sure to put it on Instagram. So, and I'm not making supper today. It is Friday. Usually we have happy hour and supper with our friends, but one of them has to work. So anyway, we're going to take the kids to a place called Picaroons. It's a brewery that away with a restaurant. So yeah, we go there probably once a month. It's a good spot. Just have a beer, nachos, hang out with the kiddos for the night, and yeah, so that's our evening. Nothing really planned except for supper out, and then home into bed early. Dan works tomorrow. He got called in, so he's going to be working all day, and I kind of am too. I'm going to get all my yarn ready to pack up for the market Sunday, and I still have some yarn drying that I've got to skein or wind up and label, so I'll do that tomorrow. Thought I'd show you a knitted item that I'm going to wear tonight. It's the Kyler shawl by Isabel Kramer. I knit this years ago. Mioka, I know you watch. Hi, we're twinning. My friend Mioka made this as well in the same colorway. Yeah, I made this years ago. Am I holding it up the right way? Yeah. Okay, let's start this way. End to end. Whole bunch of yarn overs, creating this really pretty lace panel on this side, and it's a little bit of an asymmetrical triangle with that detail at the bottom. I knit this in an older colorway of mine, mulled wine. I still make it, but I don't carry this base anymore. It's on the single ply 100% merino, and yeah, I carried it for a while, but I just didn't find single ply a big seller, and I'm just a little dude, so I don't want to carry a whole lot of inventory, but this would be pretty on the cashmere fingering weight though. So yeah, dug this out and steamed it for my scarf to wear tonight. I'm just wearing a Lululemon, one of the Lululemon wool dresses. It's merino wool and it's so cozy. I also was asked if I would continue showing the minis that I dyed for the Countdown to Cupid. Here's what happened. I kept one for myself, but I didn't label it or anything. I took a picture so I knew which colorway was for which day. I must have deleted the picture, so I no longer have the information to know in what order, and I was trying to like screenshot other people's when they were showing it on Instagram, but I couldn't keep up and lost that information. So I have them all over here. Quick peek. I don't want to ruin any colors for anybody, so I'll show them all in a lineup when the countdown's over, because I don't know which skein belongs to which day, which is really lame of me, I know, but I'll show a picture soon. But I've also decided that I don't want to keep these minis. I kept them knowing I was doing VLOGENTINE and thought, well, that would be fun to show the skein each day, which I'm not even doing. But I don't need more minis in my life. So I want to do a giveaway. And at the end of this VLOGENTINE, I don't know. I'll have to ask Dan. Dan's usually kind of good at that. I'm going to get Dan to decide what we should do. If there should be a question maybe, you know what, that was fun. Let's do that. Down below, ask a question that you would like me to answer. Not tomorrow, day 11, but I'll answer it day 12. And just, you know, a knitting related question, or dyeing, or I don't know, mom life, anything, I guess. I'll get Dan to pick the question, and whosever question he picks and I answer on day 12 uploaded will win the Countdown to Cupid, which will be 13 minis and 1 large skein. So yeah, that'll be fun. And of course he's gonna end up not being able to narrow it down to 1, so we'll pick 2, and then the second prize will be, let's say, your skein of choice by Sweet Skein of Mine. So we'll make it a little fun. Yeah, what else? And that's about it. Sat down and got caught up with my journal. I always go back, like give you guys a peek into what's happening that day, but then in the evening I kind of write more thoroughly, I guess, like more private, I suppose. So I have to find a home for this. This is sad. This is last year's journal, and it's not sad. It's sad to put it away. Like, there's so many beautiful memories in this, so many pretty stickers, and oh my gosh, that's when we were in LA at a ball game. Sarah put the popcorn container on her head. She's crazy. Yeah, so this is really nice to have. So I have to find a home for this in one of my drawers and put that away. But yeah, it's so nice and thick and fun. My other one's just begun. Yeah, or that could be a question too, a journaling question. I don't know. Anyway, okay, well, I'm just waiting for Dan to get home, and then we're gonna go pick up Sarah, and then Alex and Emily are gonna meet us, I believe, or maybe we'll all drive together, have a beer, and yeah, I think I'm gonna get nachos. Their nachos there are so good. They do chicken nachos, and they put barbecue sauce and dill pickles and big chunks of fresh jalapeno, so I'll probably get their nachos. And tomorrow, take you along for just, I guess, a little bit of yarn work around here, getting ready for Sunday. I hope everybody had a happy Friday, and I will take you along for this evening. Okay, bye.